Ever since Praveen and Mehak came into my life, my whole life changed.
Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I'm Maahek Nair and today we are doing low carb bacon open wrap. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Hi guys, so today we are doing the low carb rustic chicken wrap. Ingredients for the same. Here I have one skinny. These are really cool egg white and almond flour tortillas which are made, and they are excellent. You can find below in my description how you can buy them. First in the pan we are going to put a pinch of clarified butter, that's desi ghee, and I'm just going to grease the same. Now I'm going to add my skinnies to the pan and cook this on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now in a pan I'm going to add my bacon. I'm not using any oil or ghee because bacon itself would leave a lot of oil. And our bacon is done. Now in all the fat that was left, I've added my kale leaves. Just be careful while adding because it suddenly comes up. Let's go with the first one. That's our low carb bacon wrap. So here I have my skinnies, which is well done. Now to that I'm going to add my mayo burger sauce. That's my mayo burger. And I'm going to use a butter knife and just evenly spread it on my skinny. Now I'm going to add some iceberg lettuce to it. Next I'm going to add is my cucumber slices. Lastly, I'm going to add my crispy bacon. And then I have my avocados. And lastly, some kale on the top. And my low carb bacon open wrap is ready. Our low carb bacon open wrap is ready. It is a complete meal which contains great amount of lean protein, good quality fats. That means it's going to give you satiety and the feeling of fullness for a longer time. It's a great meal option for somebody who is looking for a lean protein. Thank you so much for watching our video. Request you please hit that bell button so that you get information of all our videos. Lastly, please log on to www.bodyprocoach.com and go and check out the latest offers we have for you. Thank you so much.